Welcome to Procurement Talk.
Hello and welcome to the Procurement Talk. Today's topic is the letter of credit. In the next few minutes, I will explain what an LC is, why companies use it, the types of LCs, confirmed and non-confirmed LCs, and how payment actually reaches the seller. A LC is a financial guarantee issued by a bank. It ensures that the seller will receive payment as long as they submit all the required documents exactly as agreed. In international trade, LC builds trust between parties who may not know each other. Why do companies agree to an LC? Yes, it reduces financial risk for both sides. The buyer gets assurance that goods will only be paid for when shipped with correct documents. The seller gets assurance that a trusted bank, not just the buyer, is guaranteeing payment. Now let's look at the types of LCs. The commonly used is the irrevocable LC, which cannot be changed or canceled without agreement from both sides. This protects the seller. A revocable LC can be changed anytime, so it is almost never used today. Next, we have Sight LC, where payment is made immediately after documents are verified, and Deferred LC, where payment is made after a time period, like 30, 60, or 90 days. Now, a very important distinction, confirmed versus non-confirmed LC. In a confirmed LC, a second bank adds its guarantee, usually in the seller's country. This protects the seller if the buyer's bank or country has political or financial risk. But confirmed LCs cost more. In a non-confirmed LC, only the issuing bank guarantees payment. It is cheaper, but the seller takes slightly more risk depending on the buyer's bank strength. Let's quickly look at pros and cons. For buyers, the advantages include smoother international trade and better trust from suppliers. The downside is blocked credit limits and higher bank charges. For sellers, the advantages are strong payment security and reduced risk. Even small errors like spelling mistakes or wrong dates can delay payment. What is bank charges? Banks charge for LC opening, amendment, document checking, confirmation, negotiation, and SWIFT or courier charges. It varies. How does the payment process work? After shipping the goods, the seller submits all required documents: invoice, packing list, bill of lading, certificate of origin, and any documents listed in the LC. The seller's bank checks them and then sends them to the buyer's bank. If all okay, the payment is released. For Sight LCs, payment is immediate. For USense LCs, payment is released after the agreed credit period. In summary, an LC creates trust, reduces risk, and protects both the buyer and the seller. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more daily insights. See you in the next session.
Thanks for watching.